Hi, Olivia Vogel here with the Kentucky Center for Agriculture and Rural Development. I'm our local food coordinator working under the Kentucky Local Food System Expansion Initiative, which is helping farmers scale up their sales and access new buyers for their product. I'm here to talk to you this morning about a topic we've received a few questions about, which is UPC barcodes, or Universal Product Codes. Now, you guys have probably scanned these thousands of times at the grocery store, but if you need a refresher, that's what they look like. They're a 12-digit code, and the first part of the code is unique to your farm business. So if you had 100 different codes, the first part would always be the same, whereas the second half of the code is unique to a product item. So for example, if you sold cherry tomatoes in the same exact variety in pints and in quarts to a retail buyer, these would need two different codes because they have two different descriptions and prices. So this real-time inventory allows the retail seller to say, okay, this product is selling very fast, we need to reorder, or this one is selling very slowly. They can track it through the supply chain. So it's going to be a benefit if you're approaching retail buyers, such as maybe an IGA or Kroger or Whole Foods or natural food store for selling your product. If you're selling all of your farm product through direct-to-consumer market channels, maybe such as Farmers Market or CSA, this is probably unnecessary for your farm business. UPC barcodes are not terribly challenging to incorporate into your product packaging, so I encourage you to check it out if it seems like a good fit for your farm business. If you want to learn more about them, we actually just published a short blog on our website, www.kcard.info. There's a little bit more information there, or you can reach out to us. You can reach out to me through email or phone, which are both on the website. And we're able to provide this support through the USDA Local Food Promotion Program's funding. I hope this was helpful to you all. We'd love to hear back from you, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.